Hello everyone, I am in my favorite apartment in Venice. You've seen this before. I just arrived. The windows are open. It's a glorious day. Spinning around up there. Wait. Up there is the loft. You can hear outside the window the gondoliers calling to each other. It's just a stunning day. Couldn't be better. And I had told a few of you that I might do an unpacking video because I'm pretty proud of my packing job. That is everything I brought. What that is a backpack and a 19-inch suitcase, which is like super small carry-on size. So the backpack is actually a little smaller than the suitcase, although it looks bigger in this angle. And hanging off the side of it are a footrest that I use in the plane and a neck rest. So they're just kind of like strapped onto the side there. But usually, the reason I like this particular setup is that the suitcase is really small and light, although it has so much stuff in it. And you can just put on the backpack. It's got like a waist belt, and like right now I got on the wrong boat, as I do in Venice, as you do. You just get on wrong boats. So that's part of the fun. But then I had to cross the Rialto Bridge to get to my apartment, and I was hurrying, and I've got my backpack on, and I'm just picking up my little suitcase, and it's super, super easy. So I'm going to do like a time lapse and unpack all this stuff. And then I will tell you what I brought. But you can kind of see me take things out and see how darn much I can fit into this little setup. Okay, awkward angle, but this is where I can get looking at clothes, which I know you all are interested in. You can hear the ambulance boat going by. So I already showed you the boots, in which I had packed 2 pairs of tights, 5 pairs of underwear, and 3 extra socks. I'm wearing 1. You can always be washing and drying while you're doing this. So that's the clothes that I already pulled out of the suitcase. But I'm just going to show you now. Let's go fast motion, so whatever that thing's called. This was the magical Sea to Summit 15-liter smushable bag, in which I had my sweater, 3 other sweaters, an overshirt, 2 shawls. That was in the suitcase before I took it out in the other room. Also in the suitcase were 13 books, almost a ream of paper. Let's do this like this. Toiletries, 4 shirts, jeans, 2 skirts. The hell is that? That's another dress. I'm wearing a dress. My yoga paws for doing yoga. These things are great. Some tarot cards. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tights and the aforementioned underwear. Out here, look, you're just getting the whole view, aren't you? Out here, this is the mess that I'm going to put away, but I'm an unpacker, so this will all be put away in a moment. But I've got my passport, glasses, sunglasses, another pair of sunglasses, knitting bag, knitting needle. I need to go buy some yarn at Lowepro. That's not too bad. I have a couple different pairs of headphones. Those are over the ear. I've got noise canceling. I've got candy that I bought in the airport and regret. I've got my makeup, my Kindle, a book that I brought, which looks really good. All my, liquid toiletries, which I did not have to pull out, by the way, because I got TSA pre-check, which is the best thing ever. It's $85 for 5 years, and I think it paid for itself today. I just walked through security, didn't have to get anything else out. But look, what I really want to tell you about, sorry, bad light, is this backpack over here in front of my water glass. This right here, held my CPAP. That's CPAP storage, and what you saw was me pull my small day bag out of the top. It was full. I didn't put anything else in there. I just put my day bag, which is this one, which is the one I use actually every day at home. It's a Pacsafe. It's small. You can lock it to anything. It holds my laptop. It holds literally everything I need. So I got the entire CPAP in the bottom there, which I just hate traveling with. And all of that was in that little suitcase and that rather large backpack. But the bottom half of the backpack was CPAP equipment. Now I have to go put everything away. I will put the links in the notes below of the products I use and love. And then I'm going to get out of this apartment. I think I might do that before I actually put things away because it's daylight. I just got here and I need to go wander the streets of my beloved Venice. I'm so happy to be here. I hope you enjoyed the video.